How to get free coins on WEBTOON. Hello everybody, if you want to get free coins on WEBTOON, you may follow up this step. So open up the WEBTOON application first, and then once you open it up, you should be finding this interface on your screen. Now the next thing you can do is you can just go ahead and locate up the My tab in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will show you your subscribe, downloads, downloaded CDs and everything. Now from here, what you can do is you can tap on the three dot at the top right corner. And once you tap on it, it will show you your coins which are purchased or free. Similarly, you should be finding an option of invite friends. So I can just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on invite friends, you can just go ahead and invite your friends to WEBTOON. So once your friend signs up with your code, you will be both getting free coins. So you can just go ahead and share your referral code. So you can just go ahead and enter up your referral code by tapping on this enter referral code first, and then enter up a referral code that you would like to share with your friends. So just go ahead and type in that and tap on apply. And the thing is, the code must be used within 7 days of sign up, and referrals code can be only used once per device. So just go ahead and enter up a correct referral code first. And then once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on the share referral code. And once that is done, the recipient must be a new WEBTOON user and redeem the code within 7 days of creating an account. And once they join, you will be getting free coins on your account. Apart from that, if you want to get free coins on WEBTOON, you can participate in events that offers free coins for reading specific episodes or check in daily according to different options. So you can just go ahead and look out for that. And you can just go ahead and follow up this method in order to basically get free coins on WEBTOON. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.